I am Professor Vinster, and welcome to Jurplastic World.
Professor Vinster here. You can't see my face, but I'm here. This here is a Doorknocker hanger dragon, and this is going to be actually the first time. Well, not the first time. I've done the antiquing of rusting up barrels and stuff like that, and other projects, but this will be the first time. So I'm going to try it my way and see what happens. So I'm going to shake up some paint here, and first of all I'm going to put some gold on this thing, and I want it to be a little bit let's see here, a little bit. I want it to flow, so I'm going to put that like that. And I have this old paintbrush that I'm going to actually put it on with, and actually I'm going to stir it with it too, because it's an old paintbrush and I'm not really worried about it. So we'll see what happens at first here. Okay, so I'm just going to apply some of this on it. Might not be as thick as I want it, but it'll go on roughly. Let's see how we're doing here. Let's put that one down. Get some more coverage here. Let's go with this bad boy. There we go. That's what we want. A little more coverage. We're going to slap this all over. Hopefully we get all the white spots covered. Like I said, generously put this on. Hopefully get in every nook and cranny. Okay, let's I'm gonna mix this up here. This is a gold, a little bit of brightness there, but that's a gold. Uh, so of course it's acrylic, but brand I have no idea. Anyway, give this a shot. A little bit in there. Now I don't know how much I don't know if I'm gonna thin it down that much this time. I'm gonna try something. Put in a little bit of. Let's see here. It's a little bit of. Let's see here. That's how this works. Yeah, a little thicker. A little bit thicker. Now I didn't prime it for a reason because sometimes when you prime it, when it's white, you end up getting a heck of a, or having a heck of a time to blend the, or get rid of the primer colors. When white will actually blend into anything and everything if you paint it in. And if it shows a bit, then it's fine. But for some reason, you always know what primer is. Nope, the primer's showing through. A lot of these paints are thick enough that it's kind of like they have a built-in primer to a point. It depends how you want to put it, apply it to the PLA, the material you're working with. I find this filament that I use is really good. It's not an off-white. It's kind of it's a nice paintable white. How's that? Try to look and see if you got everything. Well, doesn't always work. Okay, I think I'm going to leave it at that, and then I'm going to give it a. I'm going to give it a noise canceling headphones. So as soon as I fire this up, it should cancel the noise. Okay, back in business. Now I've got this green here, same collection. Shake this up. I already shook it up. I've got actually a paint shaker that I use. But the pigment of these is really, really good. So it doesn't lose, like it doesn't, it doesn't drop down away from the paint stays together. It's viscosity. How's that? This viscosity works out really well. Now, just wondering here what we got going on. This is like an olive green. Now, I don't want to get too carried away too quick. I don't want it, so I'm going to dab it on there a bit. Okay. And with something like this, when you're painting it, you stick your finger in a big deal. Big deal. That's why I like doing stuff like this where it's not precision. See if I can get in there. You can see some white. Change that. There we go. Probably never see up there anyway, the way I'm going to have it hanging up. But what if you do? There we go. Put that in there. Try to get to those areas where I can see where it will be noticeable. Let's see if I can kind of, stick my finger in there so I can see. Yeah. See there? Oh, let's go to this camera here. Oh, it's hard to see here. There we go. See if I can get into some of the places where I haven't been able to see. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, this is what I got. I'm going to hit it with the gloss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.